Good evening to you, sir. Thank you very
Good
much
evening.
for joining us. And
Good evening.
today I will be able to take you through how do we do the Healy presentation.
Okay.
Now, there is a PowerPoint. There is a tool called Zoom. Using that, how we can connect to the people and what information is shared in sequence, I'm sharing it with you, sir.
Okay, sir.
First of all, when you receive this PPT, you go through it at least 2, 3, 4 times personally. You also know that nobody is a champion. We all have to practice and then we have to do it better.
Yes, sir.
And in a fast changing world, there will be new things that we all have to learn. And whatever information you are sharing to your customers, first of all, you have to believe that you know this information and they are here to know from you. They may not know as much as you know. So even if you do some kind of a small 1 or 2 mistakes, do not get bothered about it.
Okay.
Nobody is perfect. First of all, nobody is perfect, Mr. Siju.
Yes.
Preferably try to edit this name and put your own name there.
Sure, sure.
And in Healy back office, there is a certification program. You can complete that certification program and take a copy of the certificate and also put it. I am a certified person to present it.
I have got it, sir.
Take that copy and put it on this PPT and tell I am a certified guy. I am talking to you from Healy.
Right, sir.
That will improve your credibility, right?
Yeah, that's right.
This is how I would recommend you to do that. Whoever is watching this video after they watch, I will request them, whatever I'm sharing it is not only for Mr. Siju here. This video I'm recording so that whoever new joins and wants to start their own presentation, they can learn from this session of video that I'm sharing it with Mr. Siju, and you could apply the same thing for yourself.
Sure.
Then you must tell about 3 important things in life. Dear friends, we are all going through tough times. The world is changing at a very rapid pace. Things that were applicable in the last 5 years are not applicable anymore. The changes that has happened in the last 5 years has surpassed the changes of the last 50 years. And the changes that are going to happen in the next 5 years is going to surpass the changes and inventions that has existed in the last 100 years. Because the speed of changes is very phenomenally exponential. We are no more living in a linear world. We are living in an exponential world with everything together is changing at a rapid pace.
All right.
And we are going to see a huge paradigm shift in the area of health and body management, which is our primary important aspect of life itself.
Sure.
And this aspect has been very well understood, especially after COVID, to everyone.
True. Very true.
Until then, everything else was important. But after COVID, people realize even breathing is important.
Yes, certainly, exactly.
They suddenly realize that, my immune system is important.
True.
And they realize that this all depends on that particular individual, what he is doing for his life. No government is going to take care of you for this.
Right.
It is your life, you are the CEO, and we have to take care of it as. No hospital, no doctor, no government is going to take care of this. It
Right.
is our personal responsibility to help have and manage the body, mind, and soul in order to have harmonious life.
True.
And that is only possible by having holistic wellness around us. And wellness is about prevention. Wellness is about balance. Wellness is about freedom.
Yes, sir. Continue.
And we are talking about Healy, which is the next big evolution in the area of health, healing, and freedom. And my name is XYZ Siju, and I'm a certified Healy practitioner. and I'm going to share with you some valuable information, and all this information is absolutely free of cost. At the end of this presentation, I expect you to take a decision for your life. And this presentation is on two parts. First, about the company, the products, and its benefits. It also has an entrepreneurial opportunity. So we will talk about the second part on the entrepreneurial opportunity, which is also if some of you are interested. So let me begin with helping you understand the three major challenges that the world is going through. I'm sure you will all agree that the three major challenges that the world is facing right now is about health, relationships, and finance. Show me one home which is not going through any of this problem or all these problems. Because when health gets affected, all other things get impacted. A person having a health issue has all the other true issues. Let's say somebody is not healthy. Can he have great relationships? Will it impact his financial aspects? Absolutely yes. And health doesn't mean only physical, right? Health is not just what looks good to us, what is appearing to us. No. Health is very intrinsic, it's holistic. Some are tangible, some are intangible, and that all we need to understand that. Because our body is not just physical body, it has a mental body, it has an astral body, it has an aural body. All these are so critical to balance. Have you ever noticed that when you go to some people, you feel like going back again and again to them? You feel that there is some energy that you enjoy going there. On the contrary, when you go to some people, you don't want to go there. You want to get up and get out. You feel there is some negative energy there. Now, these are all some important things that we have to balance. It is not visible, but we can feel it. So, our conversation is about Healy, which is the world's most intelligent and a small wearable device, which I'm holding it in my hands today. World's most intelligent small wearable device. You just tuck it onto your body along with your mobile app. It is able to analyze, receive from this cloud server the solution customized to you at every time that you use and give you in the form of frequency therapy, frequencies for the bioenergetic field, which you can see on your screen now, which is also called in the ancient traditional language the prana in India. In Chinese, it's called the chi energy. In scientific terms, an information flow on the quantum level. Frequencies for the information field around us to balance and align with the universal information field, and at the cellular level use the microcurrent therapy at the cell membranes voltage balance. What an amazing solution it is. From inside and from outside together it is balancing and giving a holistic solution. And this was predicted long ago. Albert Einstein said this long time ago that the future medicine will be the medicine of the frequencies. Nikola Tesla, another great scientist who worked alongside with Thomas Alva Edison, he said, if you want to know the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. What did he mean by that? Everything around us is energy. It is communicating in the language of frequency and it's vibrating. And if we can balance this, we can enjoy harmonious life in conjunction with the universe. Our thoughts, intentions have a direct impact on our entire life. Imagine thoughts and intention, the damage that it can do. There are scientists in Japan who have taken drops of water and observed it on the electronic microscope. Drops of water of tears when they are happy, drops of waters of tears when they are sad, drops of waters when you're, put that water and pray and chant some hymns on it, and the ordinary water and the holy water from different places. And they found that the molecular structure of the water was different. And the molecular structure of the water which came from holy places and the water that came from chanting of hymns and then praying had molecular structure that can heal the body. So this all is a science. We are now moving towards scientific evidence-based world. And let me share with you how this intelligent wearable device, a small, cute wearable device, is going to become the next big revolution in healthcare and body management. It's a paradigm shift using artificial intelligence, cloud servers, frequency therapy, and microcurrent therapy to give you balance, well-being, and health. Life is all about balance. And without mental well-being, physical well-being, social well-being, and you being harmony with the nature, we cannot enjoy great health. And health again comes with adequate relaxation and sleep, proper nutrition and diet, positive mental attitude, and physical exercise. And we all now know the food that we eat, it's supposed to be cellular nutrition. Trillions of cells in our body is supposed to receive this. 90 plus nutrition has to go in the form of food on a daily basis. Some high quantity, some very low quantity, some very minuscule quantity. Carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, proteins, lipids and sterols, micronutrients, and some of these micronutrients can be a very small quantity, 0.02 mg. And we know now that soil has lost its nutrition, plant has lost its nutrition, animals don't have that kind of nutrition, and our food does not give proper nutrition. And now some of them are not even eating food, they are eating food products. Our bodies are designed for certain things. It is possible to live long and live healthy, provided we have a balance, well-being, and health. And Healy can help you do that. Let me show you what is this convincing facts and figures of the last 17 years. TimeWaver is a parent technology and parent company which has been in use for the last 17 years. More than 2,000 plus doctors are healers, practitioners, and therapists are treating their patients using TimeWaver technology in about 40 plus countries. Not one, not two, not three, not five, 40 plus countries. And not 100, not 1,000, 500,000 population. 500,000 population around the world has already benefited from this science, from this technology, from this therapy. And it is now available. The best part of it is that wherever you are in a wearable device, from there you can start using. Earlier, the device was little large. Is it a medical device? It's absolutely true. I'll read out it. Healy is a medical device for the treatment of pain in the areas of chronic pain, fibromyalgia, skeletal pain, migraine, as well as supportive treatment for mental illness such as depression, anxiety, sleep-related disorders, and so on. And you all know in the coming days, already we are seeing how people are getting into this fear, depression, anxiety, uncertainty, and that's going to become a big problem by the year 2030, according to some statistics and research. And that will be the root cause of many other problems. And there's no medicine that can heal this. There are many more applications of healing, but they are not recognized by the conventional medicine because of the lack of evidence in the sense of conventional medicine. Like the homeopathy can heal in many things. The Ayurveda can heal in many things. The acupuncture can heal in many things. But there's no evaluation methodology to evaluate and say, go and use this. So what do? You look at the clinical studies. You look at the testimonies. And you decide. Healy has about 120 plus program. A combination of these programs can help you have prevention, rehabilitation, nutrition, and all this means enjoying great health. Let me share with you a video with the help of which you will understand how exactly frequencies work. And this is a great work done by two scientists, Nikola Tesla and Mac McKin. You can Google Mac McKin and search for her. She has done phenomenal work in the area of frequency therapy and know more about it. So I'm not going to play the video now. I'll skip this part and go forward. Ask the person who has shared you this video to share this video and you can go through it later on. Shall I proceed, sir? Now I'm going to talk to you about the time waver first. That's the device that you see on your screen, large one on your left-hand side, is like a computer, a large device which is available even now, which is available for the last 17 years, and it can work wonders in the area of healing. We can do amazing customized solutions also, and these 2,000 plus therapists have been using this for the last 17 years. The only problem was you have to go wherever this device is, because it's quite large. And a trained technician only can use that. And Marcus, when he came to India, Marcus is a scientist, German national, inventor and developer of this time waver and Healy. Marcus came to India and lived as a monk with ISKCON for 12 years. Imagine someone with that level of scientific understanding coming to India, living as a monk in ISKCON for 12 years. What kind of transformation must have happened to him? On one side, you have a deep understanding of quantum physics, science, and healing. On the other side, gaining spiritual consciousness. And once he got enlightened, he understood that his purpose in life was to give a healing device to everybody so that they can operate from wherever they are. And then that large device became small with an investment of 25 million euros. And he met Nuno Nina, who is a Portuguese national, who is a therapist, running 7 private clinics, and is a specialist in integrative medicine and cell biology. And being an expert in cell biology, he understood that the cells, 1 trillions of cells, and different organs have different cells that communicate at different hertz. And this communication hertz, he understood and developed 1,44,000 frequencies, which he calls it as gold frequencies, and never used medicine in his healing. He used frequency for healing in the last 17 years. And having met Nuno Nina, these two people, when they met, they understood that God made them meet for a divine purpose. And they decided to collaborate, and now we have this great solution in the form of a Healy, a device that can analyze the real-time frequency of your bioenergetic field of the body and send it to the server using Bluetooth technology. And there the artificial intelligence, which has 100,000 times faster ability than a human to understand and analyze, captures it quickly, analyzes, sends it to the server, and from the server, it takes the solution that is customized for you and sends it back. So every time you use, you get a personalized frequency solution based on the data that is received. It's not a one size fits all. And what is the solution that it gives at cellular level? What is the research that backs it up? A unique study conducted by two professors, both of them Swedish nationals, Bon Nordenstrom and Robert Becker. One of them is an orthopedician, other one is a radiologist. Incidentally, we are happy to share that Professor Bon Nordenstrom has also been the former chairman of the Nobel Prize Committee for Medicine. And you know what an authority it is, what kind of eminent personalities they are. Professor Robert Becker is the author of a book called Body Electric in 1985 itself. And these two people have dedicated to understand cell membrane voltage. And they found in their study that the cell membrane inside carries negative membrane voltage, which is essential and very, very useful for maintaining cell health. And in that study, they found that the young healthy cell carries between minus 70 and minus 90 negative membrane voltage. Sir, can you mute yourself? And as the age progresses, people experience aging. And cellular health, as I already told you, four major factors: nutrition, proper nutrition and diet, adequate relaxation and sleep, positive mental attitude, and physical exercise. And you know, in the last 20, 30, 40 years, what has happened to mankind? And if you are not able to provide that, then the cellular membrane voltage is dropping down. In their study, they found that the cellular membrane voltage, when it drops down, your aging process speeds up. That's why we are seeing people who are 45 looking like 55, performing like 55. No wonder we have so much of diverseness nowadays. अंदर से फिट तो बाहर से हिट होगा ना. Some people, they are still 45, they lost their hairs, they look like 55, they want to look like 35, they are 45, they look like 55. Wish, reality, and consequences of the 30 years of what life they have practiced. And it's possible to stay young. It's possible to stay healthy. All you need to do is maintain that cellular voltage. And that's what they said. You can reverse it. All the pains, inflammation. Today we have more than 2,000 plus inflammatory disorders. Google and check that. Internal inflammatory disorders are more than 2,000 now. Thickening of the cells, cell death. See, cellular death is quite common on a daily basis. Out of the trillions of cells, some thousands of cells are born, some thousands of cells are dying. It's good. Cellular regeneration, it's called. But the challenge is, if you don't have enough cells being born on a daily basis as much as are dying, we have more cells dying and less being born. Then you have catabolic activity instead of metabolic. And then you have aging process which speeds up. All the organs become aged faster. Thanks to this technology, the positive effects of microcurrent treatment are, according to a study, the fundamental basic requirement of life itself we are able to give back. And what is that? What is the fundamental requirement of life? What's the difference between a living and a dead person? Energy, activeness, alertness. It's all possible only when you have sufficient energy. And people don't have this. That's why they're looking for external sources such as having a cup of coffee or an energy drink or some kind of other external factors to pump up their energy. Some people do 3, 4, 5, 10 times a day. Actually, when you sleep well and wake up, you're supposed to be fully energetic and back revived. But they go to the kitchen to go and take a cup of coffee, tea. Imagine if we are able to put back that ATP production by 500%. ATP is the process through which bodies produce energy and store in your cells. This 500% improvement. And the second part is increase in the protein synthesis process. My dear friends, on a daily basis, some thousands of cells are dying and being born. And this process, cellular regeneration, protein synthesis, where the proteins are formed to build cells, means the creation of physical life to the central blueprint, which is stored in your DNA of our cells. Imagine you are able to impact by 70%. We don't give importance to things that we cannot see with our naked eye. And that is actual real life. Improvement in the amino acid transportation by 40%, which are the building block for protein synthesis. But the building block for protein synthesis itself, amino acid transportation, improved by 40%. It's no way possible that without, after doing all this, you will have some challenges. This is one of the best way to enjoy great health. So Healy does work on many areas. On the Healy, there are Nuno programs. Then you have microcurrent, all in the information field, protection programs, then you have the microcurrent programs, which works at the cellular membrane voltage, so that electrically we can balance the environment of the cell. Then it also works on your consciousness and intentions. Quantum entanglement. And all this, using that device, we have developed many solutions around it. We have the Healy Watch, we have the Healy Advisor app, we have the Healy Resonance and Analyzer app, we have also the Healy Advisor Search. We also have the Digital Nutrition app. You heard it right. I'll talk about it in the end of the presentation. And all this is connected to a cloud server where the expert database is stored, and that is constantly learning using machine learning. Constantly it's getting updated on a daily basis. And artificial intelligence is used to analyze and customize and send back the frequencies that every individual needs on a real-time basis. I think this requires a round of applause. Amazing, amazing solution. Let me share with you exactly a pictorial format of a cell when the cell membrane is low. -30 approximately when it reaches, the cell membrane becomes hard and rigid. The food that we eat, diet, digestion, absorption, assimilation, elimination, circulation. It's not just eating. It has to go through all that process at the cellular level. And each cell, when the membrane is rigid and hard, the nutrient that is supposed to get in cannot get in properly. And the waste cannot get out. And when you apply the microcurrent therapy, the cell membrane becomes soft and permeable. It increases up to -70. Nutrients can get in and the waste can get out. And at trillions of cells, if this is possible, I'll show you a video and you will be amazed. One session of a Healy, how it has impacted on the blood cell level before and after. Ask your friend to share this video. He will send this video to you and you can know exactly how it has made a difference. Imagine if you are using this on a daily basis. And this is exactly what Albert Einstein predicted, that the future medicine will be the medicine of the frequencies. And one device can work in all people in the family. Young children, adults, and elders also can use. And each of this person can use for different areas. It can be a learning atmosphere. Today, the learning atmosphere is also very stressful. To improve concentration, you may need a program. For exam stress relief, you may need a program. For memory enhancement, you may need a program. We have programs for every area. Each of them can use for different areas. And adults are also in an environment where you are in a continuous learning process because we are in a fast changing world. Fitness. Why do people go for fitness? To improve muscles, improve circulation, stamina, vigor, power, All these can be enhanced using our programs along with your exercises. At a cellular level, it can impact better. Health. What is health all about? Nutrition, minerals, vital substances, mental balance, adequate relaxation and sleep, the quality of sleep. It's not the length of sleep, the depth of sleep that matters. And that's the major problem for people today. In a job environment also, people are stressful and they are expected to perform well. Activated brain, positive thoughts, all this can be added in your work environment. Bioenergetic balance is like having a first aid in your home. Do people have cold, cough, allergies, simple problems every day, most of the times, in most homes? We have solutions for that. Just take a frequency shot if you have a cold. Hypertension. Women can use this at the time of menstruational pain, or if they are menopause stage for that, or men during menopause stage or women during menopause stage go through hormonal changes. Children go through hormonal changes. Prostrate, sciatica pain. We have programs for every single thing. 24 programs we have in bioenergetic balance 1 and 2. Beauty. I'm sure people are looking at being inner beauty and outer beauty both. Hair, nail, skin, elasticity, scars to be removed. We have programs for that. You can ask for a video and know more details about how those programs work in different areas. It's a very, very simple device. When you buy the device, you receive a kit like this. It comes in a box like the telephone. It has the manuals. It has the device. It has those bracelets. It has those adhesive electrodes and the ear clip electrodes. At the back of the device, there is a QR code and a serial number. All you have to do is scan that using your mobile phone, and your mobile phone app is up. Download the Healy app, scan it, or type your number of the Healy device. Whatever programs you are subscribed will appear there. And the programs, when you apply, it will tell you exactly whether to use the bracelets or the ear clip or the adhesives. Even a common man without having any medical understanding or technology understanding can be able to use this. In just a few minutes, up and running. So some people ask you, what is there inside this device? As I already told, there is a quantum sensor for analysis of the frequencies in the bioenergetic field. And this communicates with the Bluetooth. You can see a Bluetooth flickering here. And your mobile Bluetooth, you keep it on, location services, keep it on, keep the internet on, and it will communicate to your mobile using the Bluetooth. And it will take and send it to the server. And from there, it takes and brings it back to the device. Amazing solution. This is constantly monitored by 98 plus specialists from different walks of the life, constantly being monitored. So in short, Healy World is giving you systems and concepts in the area of frequency therapy, improving health and well-being, everything monitored from Germany, the capital of Germany near Berlin. We have our offices. All the research offices are separate, the administrative offices are separate, the sales teams are separate, and globally we are operating in 46 countries right now. We launched this small Healy device, wearable device, only in February 2019. We have about 200,000 users right now. And that too in a COVID period, one of the fastest growing company, AAA rated. 500 top companies, fastest growing companies in the world. The product being from Germany comes with highest standards of certifications and quality testing. It's classified under class 2A medical device in US FDA and European FDA. fulfilling all the required tests and inspections. Some of you may ask me, is it patented? High level of security communication technology between smartphone and Healy patent granted. There are about 12 plus patents. So hence you are protected. Even the competition is not near. We are the only one in this world right now. These are the copies of the certificate. Let me summarize what I said now. Healy is a medical product by Healy. It's a class 2A cleared medical device. It looks at the cause, not the symptoms. This is a paradigm shift. All these years we are being used to, whenever we have a problem, to go and share our symptoms. Sir, I'm having irritation, I'm having cough, I'm having phlegm, I'm having headache, I'm having fever. Then the expert uses his knowledge and skill and either diagnoses or sends for a further diagnosis or recommends you a medicine. Healy is an intelligent wearable device. It can understand the cause, not just works at symptom. And right from cause level, it starts working. It's non-invasive. You don't have to eat anything, drink anything, or inject anything that you don't like. It works harmoniously with the body because it's a natural communication language of the cells. It works in all age group of animals and humans. Yes, you heard it right. Animals also we have a program. But wellness means whoever lives around you, yourself, your family members, plants, animals. It works on all this. More details I'll share with you as we progress. Today I'm talking only about the human side of it. It's an effective diagnostic tool and also provides personalized frequency solution. We have already conducted a lot of surveys about our users, and a small survey of some community of users indicate that the people who are using application of Healy are using mainly for pain release and relief. In every home, every place, in every part of the world, everybody is suffering from some part of the pain or other, physical, mental, or emotional. Regeneration. Imagine somebody suffering from mental stress needs regeneration. We think regeneration means only he has to go through an accident or a surgery and then needs regeneration. No. A stressful person will also need a regeneration. A person who never slept well needs regeneration. Everything is happening at a cellular level. Prevention is better than cure. We all have heard this. For health prevention, I know many people who use diagnosis of our Healy. They say, sir, it is showing that I'm having sciatica pain. It is showing that I'm having prostate. Healy can tell you what will come in the next 3 months to you. And many people, because of the late diagnosis, they have suffering. Because it is working at a bioenergetic field at a cellular level, it can even predict what will happen in the next 2 months, 3 months to you. Early detection is the only way for prevention. Today, people are spending 25,000 rupees for remdesivir, 50,000 rupees for an oxygen cylinder. And what is the price of Healy? One device that can take care of your entire family. Is that an expense or an investment? Health is the most important aspect of life. And it's your responsibility, not the government's responsibility. It's your responsibility to take care of your life. You are the CEO of your life. Doctors are there to help you when you reach a critical point. Prevention, taking care of it, avoiding is all our responsibility. Whose responsibility is to eat nutritious food? Is it doctor's responsibility, government's responsibility, or our responsibility? And when you know that it is not available in the market, even after paying money, you need to get some supplements. Absolutely. Stress, chronic complaints, acute complaints, insomnia, wellness, allergies. These are the areas they're using. How frequently are the people using it? Our survey indicates 80% of them are using it on a daily basis. Not because it looks good. Yes, that's one of the reasons. But it is easy to use and it is effective. Imagine you are wearing this device and going. What will your friends ask you? Siju, Rajesh, Meera, what is this you are wearing? Arey, if they ask you what is this, your business starts, no? Send them to videos. जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. It's so simple business this is. Use the product, keep moving around, enjoy good health, and also when they ask you send to videos, send them for webinar like this. We are there, we'll take care of it. Is it good? Should we do this? Just think about it. A device that has a 94% recommendation rate, 96% effectiveness rate. Some have had slight improvement, strong improvements, and of course, 96% of the people have had some improvements. There is always a small percentage of people who may say, because they did not observe well or they're already healthy, that I did not feel much difference. We already have a 30 days money back policy in India. In other parts of the world, it's 14 days. Use it. You don't like it, return it back. In 14 days, you will definitely come to know some positive noticeable effect. If you are suffering from some pain or some ailment or sleeplessness or for some related to skin or anything, try it out. Because our survey indicates very clearly, because it's a customized solution, some people in one application, they can see a positive noticeable effect. Some people in 3 applications, some people in 6 applications, but overall 7 to 8 applications, you will see positive noticeable effect. And in 2 days, you can use 3 to 4 applications a day. That's the recommendation. Just drink enough water before using it so that your cells are hydrated. 2 kinds of people cannot use: people who are suffering from epilepsy and people who have a pacemaker. Women at the time of pregnancy, when they're carrying a child, there is no harm to the child or the mother, just that the device cannot differentiate between the child and the mother. 2 souls, 2 bodies, because we work at soul level, spirit level. That's it. Healy is not available in the market. Healy can only be bought by from one who is already using a Healy. Because in our survey, it was very clear. People said, we are happy with the device. We are already talking to people. And in this COVID period, when millions of people have lost jobs and additional income people are looking for, and many youngsters who are not looking for jobs are not able to get jobs, wanting to become entrepreneurs, and health and wellness is a $3 trillion industry. And in this industry, when you are already putting your efforts to explain about it, sending a video, educating, and you should be rewarded. And then we made it a possibility for any person who is wanting to associate with us to become a digital wellness entrepreneur by a certification program also. And you can become a global entrepreneur. We will teach you how to do that. We have all the systems and process to teach you how to do that. And we will be able to help you become a digital wellness entrepreneur, local, regional, national, or global. We operate in 46 countries and we support in 26 different languages. We are soon releasing the Healy watch, and India will be the second country to launch this. It is not like any other watch that you have seen in the market. It has completely different algorithms, and this can be paired with your Healy device. It's like having a hospital 24/7 around you, giving you not only alerts, but also giving you solutions. There are many such devices which gives you alerts: heart rate variability, sleep pattern, lung. All that is data, analytical data. What about the solution? Healy is the only watch in the world that not only analyzes, but also gives you solutions and alerts on a customized level. We are launching the digital nutrition app. You heard it right. DNA here stands for digital nutrition application. For the first time in the world, you will get, based on your bioenergetic understanding, a display on your mobile telling you the recommendations of what food to buy for your body. The medical diagnosis, food intolerances, And accordingly, you can purchase your food. And after eating the food, it can tell you whether your body received that 90 plus nutrition which is missing. Some 0.02 mg of cobalt is missing, magnesium is missing. Open your app, press it, it will go into your body using frequency. Yes, you can give your body frequency-based nutrition now. That's another big paradigm shift. Nutritional supplements have already created billions in sales. Imagine this, what it's going to become. And people prefer consumption of frequency-based nutrition than to manufactured food supplements. So, dear friend, we have a world-class product that every home and every business needs, every home needs, whether you can afford it or not afford it. If you cannot afford it, there is a business opportunity that can make it affordable. It's simple, it's easy. It comes with 2 years global warranty and a 30 days money back proof. The question you need to ask yourself is, do I need to own a medical device at home that can identify different deficiencies that I might be suffering from or my family members and provide them with relief and support? The answer will be yes. Only question of affordability. To make it affordable, we have 4 different editions. Overall, we have 1,44,000 frequencies divided in 120 programs placed in your app in 16 pages. And these 16 pages are the only differentiator of your price, because device wise everyone receives the same device. It is only the programs that will change. For example, the Healy Gold, you will get this device and first 2 pages of the program, Healy Gold Cycle. In that each page there will be 8 to 9 programs. And Gold Cycle programs are the fundamental programs required for every human being across the world, material of wherever they are living. Because it has programs called Pure that can take care to support from negative environmental influences, toxins and effects of unhealthy diet. Who is not suffering from this? Everybody is suffering. You're paying money and bringing poison home. Air, water, nothing is pure. How do you get that unhealthy, negative environment influence? Do you take another medicine for that, or do you have to take a natural therapy for it? Apply the Pure program every day once, that's it. All the influences of negative toxins, effects or unhealthy diet are removed. That is the root cause of all other problems. Immune system balance. My dear friend, after COVID, I don't have to educate anybody what is the importance of maintaining immune system balance. Everybody knows that. And we have a program. Life itself is about physical, emotional balance. 80 to 90% of the problems that people face at business or life, personal, are because of their inability to balance emotions. And if you can balance that well, you can have harmony in life, better results at your life. 41,400. Add 100, 200 rupees more for your courier, it will courier to your house. Healy Holistic Health Plus. You get your gold and the device, plus 8 more pages out of the 16. Pain and psych. You have programs for fear, depression, anxiety, local pain, joint pain, jaw pain. You have programs in bioenergetic balance for cold, thyroid, menstruational pain, hypertension, all that first aid kit. Mental balance, inner unity, feel good. Feel good itself is a great program. Imagine you have a program that can help you feel good. How much lakhs are you ready to pay to make yourself feel good? And unless you feel good, can you do well? All the acupuncture and acupressure programs are available in Meridians 1 and 2. It's that energy points which is released. Heart meridian, lung meridian, joint meridian, sleep, skin, 80,200 only. We have the Healy Holistic Health Plus. 6 more pages of the program. Total 16 pages, lakh and 16,000. You have protection programs, you have chakras, you have beauty, job, fitness, learning, 1 lakh and 19,000. I would recommend if you can afford, go for this. Healy Resonance. It's an additional application app that is available along with your Healy app, where you can do your aura analysis, generate a report, even send it by a WhatsApp or a email, and do the interpretation also. You also have many more programs in this apart from that 120 programs that can help you to take care of doing healing using vibration and frequency. You have some additional programs such as Australian bush flower remedy, Alaskan gemstone excelsior, back flower remedies. Recently, we added 328 Materia Medica Psyche programs. We have programs for animals. We have digital nutrition. We have vital substances. We have minerals, cellular salts. All these are additional programs in this. You can just apply and see which is less in your body, and top 5 which is less, you can immediately apply in 2 minutes to your body. And health is about balance. And you can become a digital wellness entrepreneur through certification on our app's website. The person who has invited you here has invited you as a well-wisher to give you information about the world's next big revolution in the area of health and body management using an artificial intelligence-based world's most intelligent wearable device made in Germany with US FDA cleared and 200,000 plus users already successfully using it. Go to our Facebook page, Healy Global Experience, and you can see 55,000 plus daily users sharing their experience there. If you like this, contact the person who has invited you here. He will be able to give you more information, and he will be able to help you not only have a device at an extraordinary price, because there is a special promo going right now, and that your friend will be able to help you. Contact the person. He will give you more information. He is here to help you, and he is the best friend. You can trust him in these times to help you on your health, all your relationship, and also finance. God bless you all. I'm looking forward to see you very, very soon.